Chip's Corner on U.S. Farm Report is brought to you by Research. Maximize your valuable fertilizer investment with Research, an exclusive low-dust humic granule from Helena.
Welcome back to our College Roadshow this weekend. We're checking in now with Chip Flory for Chip's Corner. Chip, what good stuff do you have for us this week?
Yeah, that's right, Tyne. Every now and then, the futures markets will show us what really matters at any given time. Okay, sometimes it's crop size, and we're working with issues on the supply side of the balance sheets. Sometimes it's exports, and we're more focused on issues on the demand side of the balance sheet. But many times, it's about money flow or investment management, and that means that seems to be the case in the grain markets right now. That's where the really important price influence is coming from. Now, when interest rates were on the way up, money flowed out of the commodity world, and that includes corn futures, soybean futures, wheat futures, and that's because money managers were chasing higher and higher returns from the interest rate sensitive markets, like equities. But now things are changing. I'm not saying that interest rates are going to head straight back to zero, but a move lower certainly seems to be in the cards. Now, I talked with Jim Emter from the Van On Company about that earlier this week, and about how the transition for the Federal Reserve might impact commodity prices.
And as soon as Powell hinted out of that Jackson Hole meeting that there was a pivot or posture coming here potentially in September, if all the numbers aligned, that they could be a driver for reducing interest rate, maybe not just one, maybe even 2 and 3 for the year. Chip, that changed the whole attitude, that gave us hope off this base bottom. And I think this is what systemically has changed the productivity for this rally and given us at least an opportunity for the bull to stand up and have their Christmas moments here for at least a temporary moment.
Yeah, so we were having a little bit of fun there with Christmas coming early for the commodity bulls there. But the point is this. Now that interest rates have topped and are likely headed lower, the interest rate sensitive investments are going to be less and less attractive to the money managers out there as they look for options on how to reinvest that money. They're looking over at the grain markets, and what they're seeing is a market that is cheap, that's priced relatively cheap right now. It's got more upside potential than it does downside risks. So that's the type of investment that they're looking for. And that's why corn, soybeans, wheat prices can post some price gains ahead of what's expected to be a really big harvest this fall.
Thanks, Chip. And don't forget, you can catch him live twice a day, 10 a.m. for AgriTalk AM and 2 p.m. for AgriTalk PM. All right, when we come back, it is unlike anything you've ever seen. A feedlot innovation center that will provide answers to cattle producers, not just here in Nebraska, but across the country. We'll show you that research next.